Hey, if you want to connect your external storage into your Realme C67, for sure you can do this, but first of all you will have to go into the settings, and from the settings you will have to click on this search and enable the OTG connection. So open the OTG connection, click on this switcher to turn it on, and now I'm gonna show you example how it looks on my external memory card. So if you are using any like external disk, it will look basically the same. So here I have to find something like the USB hub that I will be able to plug straight into my USB-C port, just right here. But if you have your external disk with the USB-C cable, you will actually don't need it, because you will be able to connect it straight into your port. But in my case, I have to get this adapter, and now when I plug it right here into the port, in this place I have to plug the cable or another adapter, and after this I'm able to read my external storage. As you can see, here it is. It will pops in your files, and here you can store it. So as you can see, that's how it looks. That's quite simple. If you like this video, please leave subscription on my channel and comments below. Bye bye.